Hi, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to do our first product unboxing. Have a fermenter that we got online for about $100.
So today we are going to open up a new purchase here of a Fermzilla. It's a 30-liter fermenter. So let's open this thing up. Some pieces, parts, some assembly required. This is going to be nice. This is everything. So this is the blow tie for the pressure. I'm going to put the ball locks on here. Okay.
Alright, Steve is assembling the floating dip tube that came with the kit.
Now let's work on the handles at the top. Okay. One side temporarily put together.
The fasteners on the handle are all 10mm.
And there we go. There's our nice little handles. Okay. Now that we have some lubricant on here, we can push this down on the top. There we go. Now we're just going to screw this on there. Attach the bow tie spunding valve, and that just clicks right onto here. And we are completely assembled. That's what it looks like right here. In a future video, we're going to use this to brew some lagers. Nice little volume sticker here. We have one more sticker to put on here. This is for the temperature. We're going to put it down low. And that is everything.
All right, thanks, Steve. So we are picking a recipe and getting ingredients together for our first brewing video. So thanks to everyone for watching.